Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see how many pages on Google Docs. If you need to quickly check the length of your document, Google Docs makes it very easy to find the exact page count. This is especially helpful if you are working on an essay report, assignment, or any document where page length matters. To do this, start by opening your Google Docs file and making sure the document you want to check is on the screen. Once you are inside the document, look at the top menu bar. You'll see several options there, and the one you want is Tools. Click on Tools to open the drop-down menu. In that list, select Word Count. As soon as you click it, a small pop-up window will appear on your screen. This window gives you useful information about your document, including the total number of pages. It also usually shows other details, like the number of words and characters, which can be useful if you are tracking document length more closely. The page count shown in that pop-up is the exact number of pages currently in your Google Doc. This means if you add more text, remove content, or change formatting, the page total may change as well. So if you are editing the document, it's a good idea to check the word count window again whenever you want the most up-to-date page number. One useful thing to keep in mind is that page count can be affected by formatting choices such as font size, spacing, and margins. So if the number of pages looks different from what you expected, the layout of the document may be the reason. After you've checked the information, you can simply close the pop-up window and continue working on your document. The process only takes a few seconds and it's the fastest built in way to see how many pages your Google Doc has. So to recap in a simple way, open your document, go to Tools in the top menu, click Word Count and then look at the pop-up to see the exact page count. That's all you need to do to check how many pages are in Google Docs.